Braided date coffee cake recipe. You'll be hooked after one bite. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to make a delicious braided date coffee cake. This cake is perfect for breakfast or as a midday snack, and it's also a great way to impress your friends and family with your baking skills. So, let's get started. Ingredients. For the dough, you'll need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 package active dry yeast, 1/2 cup milk, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, 1 egg. For the filling, you'll need 1/2 cup chopped dates, 1/4 cup chopped walnuts, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. For the glaze, you'll need 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon milk, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, salt, and yeast. In a small saucepan, heat the milk and butter until the butter melts. Let it cool for a few minutes, then add it to the flour mixture along with the egg. Mix everything together until a soft dough forms. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes, then cover the bowl with a clean towel and let it rise for about an hour. While the dough is rising, prepare the filling by mixing together the chopped dates, walnuts, brown sugar, and cinnamon in a small bowl. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. After the dough has risen, punch it down and roll it out on a floured surface into a rectangle shape. Spread the filling over the dough, leaving about 1/2 inch of space around the edges. Starting at one end, roll up the dough into a log shape. Cut the log in half lengthwise, then twist the 2 halves together to form a braid. Transfer the braid to a greased baking dish and bake for about 25 minutes, or until golden brown. While the cake is baking, prepare the glaze by mixing together the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract in a small bowl. Once the cake is done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Drizzle the glaze over the top of the cake and serve warm. And there you have it, a delicious braided date coffee cake that's sure to impress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes. See you next time. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.